All right, kids, we're ready to practice our alphabet. Let's get started. Okay, get your finger ready. You're going to point to the screen and you're going to trace the letter as I trace it with my yellow cursor. Here we go. A. A says A. B. B says B. C. C says K. D. D says D. E. E says E. F. F says F. G. G says G. H. H says H. I. I says I. J. J says J. K. K says K. L. L says L. M. M says M. N. N says N. O. O says Ah. P. P says P. Q. Q says Qu. R. R says R. S. S says S. T. T says T. U. U says V. V says V. W. W says W. X. X says X. Y. Y says Y. Z. Z says Z. You did it! Great job! Keep practicing.